If your Samsung A20s shows "Verify your account after a reset," you're facing FRP lock. And if you're tempted by easy bypass tools, you're in risky territory. Disclaimer: these methods may void your warranty and could harm your device. This is for informational purposes only. For tech DIYers, FRP bypass tools like Unlock Tool or SAM-FW Tool might seem like a quick fix. But before you grab that USB cable, stop and consider the risks. Unofficial tools can hide malware, brick your phone, or wipe your data. Always download from reputable sources and check what the tech community says first. Never disable your antivirus unless you're absolutely sure about the tool. And always back up your data before you start. The best practice? Try the official Google account recovery first. Third-party methods are risky. Proceed with caution, and remember, you're responsible for what happens next. Final disclaimer: the safest method is always to use your Google credentials after a reset.